Hello fellas, this video series where I go through the installation out of the box experience and how beginner friendly a distro is. At the end of the video I will say if it passed the check of being beginner friendly. All of these will be installed on a virtual machine, so the experience across the series will be similar. In this episode we go through a very popular distro called popos. On the website we are instantly greeted with installing popos. Also, the other things I like about popos are that they sell pre-built PCs and laptops made for popos, sell other stuff for your PC setup, and offer servers, which is really good. Popos uses their Cosmic desktop environment, which is based on GNOME. There are 3 versions of popos, all of them having LTS or a long-term support. The regular version being 2.87 gigabytes. The version for NVIDIA drivers, probably with the proprietary drivers for GTX 16 series and RTX series, which is 3.35 gigabytes, and the version for ARM devices, which is 2.69 gigabytes. Nice. Actually, there's a 4th one, which is the ARM with NVIDIA drivers version for like GTX 16 series and RTX 6000 series, which is 2.99 gigabytes. What I also like is that they include install instructions in case you need help with while installing. Setup, again, 4 cores, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 50 gigabytes of storage space to simulate low-end laptops. First thing I see is the Cosmic desktop environment, and I have to say it looks really nice. Weirdly, the installer didn't start automatically, but you can start it by typing install popos in the launcher. There it launches the installer. From there we see the language selection, keyboard layout, and the install. We select the drive where we want to install it, type in our name and password, set if we want to encrypt our drive, and then we see the installation. While it installs, I have to say the installation is very straightforward and easy. The installation didn't take too long, but not as quick as PicoS. So I like that. In the welcome screen we are greeted with options to turn on the magnifier or screen reader, change scaling options and interface size, change internet settings, set language and time zone, and choose the appearance of Cosmic. I chose the Cosmic Dark one. We can also choose the layout config. When it comes to the out-of-the-box experience, looking at the Cosmic Store, which is the GUI package manager, it uses Flatpak from what I see, and certain packages are from APT, so that's really good. We got LibreOffice pre-installed, also Thunderbird is installed as the email client, which is also really nice. We have a GUI program called RepoMan, where we can add repositories, so that's really nice. Also, Cosmic has some of their own programs besides the software manager. We got a terminal, text editor, media player, and file manager. On the broad surface, it passes. It's super easy to install, it's Debian based, everything uses a GUI application, and I say it feels very beginner friendly. Like, you don't have to use a terminal. I also really like the addition of the launcher, where you just have to press the Windows key or just here, and just type the program you need and have a thing. That's neat. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all in the next one. Bye.